There are two other options that are very useful when working with assemblies. They are the ability to make parts transparent or hide completely. These two options can be used effectively in display states, making it easier to see certain components in an assembly. They can be found on the pop-up toolbar. I can click on any of the parts in the Feature Manager or graphics window to bring up the pop-up toolbar. The two part icons with glasses represent the Hide Show Components option and the Change Transparency option. The Hide Show Components icon will make a part disappear, and the Transparency icon will change the transparency of the component, much like a wireframe view. I will hide the component, and you can see that it disappeared from the graphics window. But it is still listed in the Feature Manager tree with an outlined icon, telling me that it is hidden. I can also easily toggle these options from the display pane. I'll expand the display pane, and you can see the icons along the top to modify the appearance of the part: Hide Show, Display Mode, Appearance, and Transparency. Notice that I can toggle these options by simply clicking on the icons under each column. One thing to notice is the Appearance column. Some have two colors shown as two triangles, and others just have the bottom triangle. The bottom triangle represents the part level appearance settings, and if there was a component level change overriding the part appearance, it's shown in the upper triangle. If there is ever any confusion over the appearance, I can hover my pointer over the icon to see a preview of the applied appearance. As I stated earlier, the appearance options can be effectively used with display states to focus on different aspects of an assembly. Finally, you can use the Display Manager to sort and modify your appearances and assemblies in exactly the same way you would at the part level. Like I've mentioned before, SolidWorks gives you an incredible amount of flexibility for customizing how your models look. Take some time to play around with the options and settings here, and with a little practice, you should be able to get it looking the way you want. There's one more thing I'd like to show you before wrapping up. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, I'd like to show you a quick way to hide and show components. You can press the Tab key while hovering over a component to hide it, and you can press Shift and Tab at the same time to show the component again.